Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing a full walkthrough of the 750 square foot addition inside of the shop. We are going to be starting off in the shop. So everything you see from this closet door here towards us is new. We closed in the loft upstairs, added a storage room down here, cantilevered over a second floor, closed in the laundry room, the stairs, and even more. Through the main door, you can walk directly into the laundry room or over into the shop. Now, it may seem like we lost a lot of shop space, but the way this is set up, we really didn't lose any. The razor still fits in between these timbers if we want to store it here in the winter, and we can still pull all of the cars in as we normally would. Thanks to that cantilever ceiling, we didn't actually lose any space. Because this laundry room area here was always left open as a walkway, the wall didn't really change much. We added a couple windows. This one here is in the gym, and this one here is in my office. Closing this in and adding these walls gave me a lot more storage against the walls. We've got a little foldable couch here. This folds up flat against the wall or into a bed. We got toolboxes. We're gonna be adding a wood burning stove in this corner here, up out of the roof. And then underneath the gym, we have a storage room here as well. Tons of wall space to put shelving and stuff like that on. We are gonna install a barn door in between these timbers here so we can completely close that off. Behind this door is the dog kennel, and then they have a dog door that goes to an outside fenced off area. Got dirt bike and razor here. This is the stuff for the dirt bike and razor, parts, oil. Got water, receptacles, cameras all over. Let's move into the laundry room. We also moved out the garage door buttons and the switches for the shop lights. So everything is moved out into the shop as if this was originally here. Got a fire rated door. So first thing you see is the laundry room. This was always kind of a weird area because there wasn't any storage or cabinets for the laundry stuff. So now we have actual cabinets and actual sink. We moved the utility sink that was here back out into the shop. We added a closet here. And this may seem like a small closet, but before there was nothing. So huge improvement there. We added some exposed ductwork here. This is gonna feed the office upstairs, this laundry room, and also the gym. So all this additional square footage is heated and cooled. We have a new return vent right here for the existing system. We ground down all of the concrete and we put some concrete paint down and then an epoxy coating on top of that. Move upstairs into the gym. So this was just a loft before. We used to have a pool table and a couch up here. It was pretty cool. You could see over into the shop, but we didn't use it a lot. So we decided to convert it into a gym. That was great for a while, but we had a hard time keeping it clean with all the dust from the shop. So we decided to close this in as part of the addition. You can see we got the window here looking out into the shop. We got a speaker system in here, all the gym stuff we need. This room turned out really cool. We bumped this wall out to be flush with the rest of the walls. This is still our storage room. You can see this is the original wall here. We are gonna take this wall out and make this a bedroom by adding a window and a closet. And then moving down the hallway here, all of this used to be open to the shop, which really made it feel separated from the upstairs to downstairs. Have this little hallway area. We added another closet here. This is a good sized closet. Because we are going to be getting rid of that storage room and making it a bedroom, we needed a spot to store stuff. We put adjustable shelving in here. It's not fully set up yet. And then over here is my office. So this room turned out really cool. It's kind of a weird shape. We had to angle this wall here to miss that garage door out there, but it was a perfect space for my office. I got this new desk set up. It's the perfect size for in here. Brought all of my editing stuff up here, computer stuff, camera stuff, and that allowed us to make the downstairs bedroom an actual guest bedroom instead of my office. We have all the camera equipment in here, internet, security, all my paperwork, everything is stored away in this closet. And then we have the full editing setup here. We got a vent here. This is for the heat and AC. We did some recessed lighting up here in the ceiling. This room turned out really awesome. I'm super happy to have spot to be able to edit and work on my computer and keep all of my camera gear charged and ready to go. Now, because all this is enclosed, we got rid of the exterior door that was right here, and we were able to continue this LVP all the way through here instead of having that weird threshold and sealed door. So this got converted into an interior door, and we are going to reuse that exterior door out in the shop. Well, that's pretty much a wrap of this edition. It took a lot longer and cost a lot more than I thought it would, but now that it is done, I can't even picture it how it was before. Having everything closed in and together really is a huge improvement. I've had the draftsman update the original drawings to show this edition, so if you're interested in those, they're on my website, create208.com, and I'll see you guys in the next video.